Introducing the AEG 8000 series washing machines. Protecting the fibers of your clothes. Wash after wash. In traditional washing machines, detergents and softeners are not fully diffused before reaching the clothes. AEG's patented ErcoMix technology is unique. Water is first pre-mixed with detergent and then with softener before it enters the drum, so that it's fully dissolved and activated. The dissolved mixture is evenly distributed, reaching, cleaning and protecting every thread, stitch and fiber. The results look fantastic. The Erco Power program is ideal for daily loads of up to 5 kilograms, washing in under an hour without compromising performance or sustainability. Using the Plus Steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Powerfully gentle. For deeper fiber cleaning and softer results, the AEG 8000 series washing machines.
Have you ever accidentally let the laundry pile up? The low vibration control has been enhanced with additional friction dampers, weight balance, and a precise vibration sensor. LG's advanced low vibration technology creates more space inside. So you can now wash more in the same size washer. Would you like your clothes to come out of the washing machine with less wrinkles? Select the cycle you want to use. Press the Wrinkle Care option. After the selected cycle is complete, steam easily penetrates into clothes and reduces wrinkles. Wrinkles are minimized by up to 30% for easier ironing. Phone. Then control your washer anytime, anywhere. Check energy consumption. And even control your washer with your voice.
Google, how much time remains on the washer cycle?
The washer is on washing cycle and will be done in 30 minutes.